Hello everyone. In this video, we will briefly introduce the Makara app and explain how to use it. Before we start, what is Makara? Makara is a tool which uses data about climate, market prices, and allows farmers to reduce their agricultural financial risk to ensure sustainable livelihoods. In Makar, you can record details about your farmland, the crops that you grow every season, and do a budget accounting for all the inputs for your crops. It also provides what chance you will have of getting a particular yield, income, and profit. Now let's see how we can use the app. Step 1 is registration. To register, click on the register button, then add your phone number, name, and a password. Confirm your password, click create user, and registration is done. To log in, simply open the app and you will reach the home screen, which is currently empty. Now we will add details of your farmland. To choose your land, click the plus button. Then you can give your current location using this button or by directly searching in the search bar. I am searching for Nagpur. You can also zoom out or in and change the view by clicking the top right button. Then you can identify your farm and select it. Choose the size of your farmland in acre, hectare or gunta, and then you can name the land. I am naming it, for example, the land near the Panchayat Bhavan. You can also choose your soil. Then you can add a soil health card. Here you can enter the data for your farm, soil macronutrients like NPK and micronutrients like zinc and sulfur. If you don't have this information, you can go back and click next step. Here you can add different water sources. For instance, I am adding a government pipeline and an open well near my farm. You can also choose the irrigation technology. If you have more than one technology, you can mention the fraction of your farm's area that each technology is installed in. Click next step. Here you can choose the cropping season and year. We are choosing Kharif 2023. When you click Get Crop Advice, there are some calculations done for some time and results will be shown. These are crop recommendations based on the particular season. Let's look at one crop, cotton. You can see that it shows the market price, predicted yield and incomes. The full forecast is in a range of probabilities or chances. The yield is very likely to be between 724 and 2184 kg per acre in the dark green zone. It's likely to be between 921 and 2184, the light green zone. The possible yields are in the range of the yellow zone, unlikely in the range of orange zone, and very unlikely yields in the red zone. For incomes, there is the same kind of prediction of chances of different incomes. If you have just one crop on your farm, click Confirm Selected Crop. You can choose the specific crop variety and then add the budget for different components. I am doing a quick, rough estimation of the cost of soil preparation, plowing, etc., sowing, fertilizers including manure, integrated pest management, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. The total is computed automatically. You can also update this during the season. Here the app displays the land near the Panchayat Bhavan with the cotton crop planted on it in Kharif 2023. During the season, if you want to see updated forecasts for yield income, click Modify Crop, then click Manage Crop, and then click View. Here, if you click Refresh Forecast, you will see new forecasts for yield, income, and profit based on the budget you have just now provided. If you want to add another crop, you could have done it in the initial screen, or you can click Modify Crop and add another crop. You can choose whether this second crop, here soybean, is multi-cropping or intercropping. In intercropping, you can choose the ratio of rows. For example, I'm choosing 5 rows of cotton and 1 row of soybean. Automatically, the total farm area is divided into parts for both the crops and their percentages. Then you can see the combined income of both the crops. Of course, you can always see the forecasts for each crop, for yields, income and profit, for cotton and also for soybean. You can enter the budget of soybean as well, similar to cotton. Here you can see that the land has been updated with 2 crops. Soon, it will be possible to add a crop calendar into the app, where government's recommendations of best practices will be provided based on your sowing date, and then you can add details of your actual farm decisions as well, so you can compare both the calendars. Hope you enjoy using the app. We look forward to feedback from you about how to improve the app for your usage.